So you're searching for best tree removal in North Atlanta. Hey guys, my name is Mark Russell with 770 Arborist Emergency Tree and Crane. We service the North Atlanta area. We remove trees. Let me just show you what that looks like really quick. We have the big gear. Okay, I'm a licensed insurance adjuster and a certified arborist. These are the gigantic trees, the gigantic jobs that we have done working all throughout the North Atlanta area. If you have a project you need to get taken care of, we are fully insured. We offer free estimates from a certified arborist. To obtain a free estimate, give us a call. 770 Arborist, which is 770 272 6747. We'd love to serve you guys. Take care. Bye bye.